Title: The Illusionist's Demise. Synopsis: Detective Alex Turner is called to investigate the suspicious death of renowned magician Victor Leclerc after his final disappearing act goes horribly wrong. As Alex delves into the magician's life, he uncovers a web of deception and intense rivalries among the magic community. Alex's investigation takes him behind the scenes of Victor's world-famous magic show, where he encounters a range of colorful characters: Victor's former assistant, who harbors resentment towards him, a rival magician desperate for fame, and a mysterious audience member who witnessed the fatal trick. As Alex interviews each suspect, he unravels the secrets of Victor's past. He discovers that Victor was involved in a long-standing feud with another magician, Max Delacroix, who was humiliated by Victor's success. Max becomes the primary suspect, but Alex soon realizes there is more to the story. During his investigation, Alex is drawn into the intricacies of stage illusions and misdirection. He learns about the dark side of the magic industry, where secrets and sabotage are common to maintain the illusion of mystique. The deeper Alex goes, the more dangerous the situation becomes, with threats and accidents targeting those connected to Victor. As the tension rises, Alex finds a clue that leads him to the truth, a hidden secret that Victor was protecting at all costs. It turns out that the fatal trick was an elaborate setup to disguise another crime, a high-stakes theft that occurred during the confusion of the disappearing act. With time running out, Alex must race against the clock to identify the true culprit before they vanish into thin air. As he closes in on the killer, he realizes that the world of magic is not all smoke and mirrors, there are real lives at stake. In a climactic confrontation, Alex confronts the mastermind behind the murder and theft, unraveling their motives and revealing the truth behind Victor's demise. The story concludes with a final twist, highlighting the power of illusion and the lengths people will go to protect their secrets.